Go sit over there, Tyler.
Tyler, sit down.
Go sit down over there, Tyler. You
This
want
one
to?
yours?
Yeah.
Go over there.
Okay. Don't open it yet. Is this
That
one yours?
Mama. Oh, is that Lola?
Alright, dump it out.
Oh, well,
What'd you get?
Santa must tell you you stink.
Uh-oh. Tyler, what did you get?
What is that?
I can!
A can.
I just got cheese.
Wow, you guys must not have been too good if you got this kind of stuff. What happened?
You can crash I did it, Castillo.
Why are you saying that?
Because you did.
What, are you mad?
Santa gave it to you.
Are you
No,
mad?
I know. Because I hate cheese.
Why are you mad?
I didn't know you hated cheese. I didn't give you it. Summer, what are you doing? Unwrapping the onion? Why?
Because I want to cook it.
You're gonna cook it?
I'm going away. My mom like this onion before my eyes. I'm telling you this is not.
Summer, go put it on the counter then. Tyler, how do you like your present? Huh?
Good.
It's good? You're not gonna throw it away. Ah! What has he got?
Ew.
Oh, it's a dirty onion.